Introduction to electrical project replacing normal electrical changeover switch with existing contact. In the realm of electrical systems, efficiency, reliability, and safety are paramount. This project aims to enhance the functionality of traditional electrical changeover switches by replacing them with a system utilizing existing contacts, streamlining operations, and minimizing the need for additional components. The primary objective of this project is to improve the overall system performance by reconfiguring the existing electrical setup without compromising the integrity of the current infrastructure.
Load operation with first supply KM3. When phone is turned on, KM3 is energized and the load operates via the first supply. Load operation with second supply KM1, KM2. When 2 is turned on, KM and KM2 should energize, but KM3 should not energize due to the normally closed auxiliary contacting of KM2 controlling KM3. Proper switching sequence. First, if phone should be switched on to energize KM3. After phone is on, quit 2 can be turned on to energize KM1 and KM2 that allows the load to run on the second supply. But you have to notice that when F2 is turned on, KM1 and KM2 should energize, but KM3 should not energize due to the normally closed auxiliary contacting of KM2 controlling KM3.